Modern-day aircraft consist of many interoperating systems. Just as an aircraft must undergo routine maintenance updates to ensure airworthiness, so must these vital systems undergo routine software maintenance updates, and frequently, to ensure optimal performance and aircraft safety. Trouble is, data loading is often a problem area for aviation maintenance crews. Upload speeds can be slow, and failures force maintenance crews to restart the process. This leads to increased takeoff delays and user frustration. It all proves to be hugely costly for airlines. Today, many systems can be updated or modified using just software. A data loader is a tool that allows a user to upload new software and data onto systems to incorporate design improvements, correct errors, and simply keep the aircraft current. However, choosing the best data loader solution for your needs may not be so clear, yet is critical to preventing user frustration and avoiding typical data load issues. That's why when developing or purchasing a data loader solution, aligning with an experienced and knowledgeable team is critical to navigating the various challenges and complexities of data load. At Performance Software, we reduce the burden for our customers by making data loader development, integration, and operations easy. Our deep expertise and proven solutions are trusted by major aircraft OEMs and suppliers around the world to keep their systems in flight. Learn more today at www.psware.com/performance-dataloader.